Hi, my name is Oleg. I'm licensed real estate broker with Bellevue Commons, and I'm so excited to bring Olga today, and she will tell why she's here.
Awesome. Thanks for having me, Oleg. I would like to introduce Aaron Hakobian, your local agent with State Farm, located in Issaquah. I work with Aaron, and we are here to help you with all your insurance needs. If you buy in a house, it will be a home insurance, or we also offer other services.
Thank you so much, Olga. And also, I want to tell everybody she's my friend, and you're going to learn something new from this today. And I have a couple questions for Aaron. And my first questions will be for Aaron. So what is insurance agent for? Any clients have to get insurance before they purchase the property, and this is a very important step. And most people not understand what is the role of insurance agent in this process.
Thanks so much, Oleg and Olga. Appreciate your introduction. So great question. So what is the insurance agent for? Or what I guess I can focus on what is the insurance for, specifically to the topic that you are helping your customers is homeowners insurance. And Oleg, if you think about it, how most homeowners insurance come about is you go get a loan, okay, and the bank is going to require you to get homeowners insurance, so-called hazard insurance. Now, if you think about what hazard insurance includes, most of the time it does not include some of the coverages you potentially want to get. A lot of times it's earthquake, a lot of times it's a flood policy. And the reason I brought this up, because if you don't have a local State Farm, well, I guess local agent, but local State Farm agent, is, I don't know if the company necessarily you're working with, they might be reputable, but then they might be local. They might not understand the risks we have here in Seattle area, specifically with earthquake. And I'll tell you why I'm saying this. Because when you buy a home, the down payment is at least 20% for most part. And in our area, that's at least a couple $100,000 or more. That's years of savings you have. If you don't have a correct homeowners insurance policy, you actually can jeopardize all that down payment. And if you don't have a correct homeowners insurance policy, sometimes including earthquake and a flood, the disasters that recently happened in Texas and Florida, we learned that most people didn't know they have no coverage. And most of these things are covered by local agents that know the area. That's the reason.
Aaron, like most clients, like when they're looking for insurance company or agent, they struggle between choosing what they should do. Choose insurance company or insurance agents. And most people thinking agents represent the company and working for the company and just make extra buck. And they sometimes saving money, working with the company directly. Do you represent company or you represent actually clients?
Great question. So I am a State Farm agent. I'm an independent contractor, and I represent State Farm exclusively. Now, cool thing about State Farm, we're 100% owned by its own customers. We are the biggest homeowner insurance company in America, and every fifth house is insured by us. So we have been #1 homeowners insurance company in America for over 50 years. And again, 100% owned by its own customers.
Awesome.
So we are not profit maximization company. We pay dividends out back to our customers. Well, that's more of if you buy life insurance, but the whole structure of the company is designed the way what I'm doing is passionately curious about my customers' needs, and I determine the needs and I protect them from everyday risks of life.
My third questions will be, Aaron, like so many different insurance companies on the market, why are you different from anybody else?
One of the things I feel like that makes us different is when we sit down with you, we give ourselves the emotional permission to spend time with anyone and everyone to identify your needs and what is important to you. Okay, that is very important. And we identify your liability exposure, how we can protect your assets and protect you with $1 more than you have at stake to lose. Now, I don't know if everyone goes through the trouble doing this versus just sell you a policy and move on. Because at the end of the day, for example, last year my office paid $4.4 million in claims and I had 0 complaints.
And my last question would be, Aaron, why did you choose this profession, right? So you can be an attorney, you can be a doctor. Why decide to be in this field?
So it's a passion I have we do insurance and financial services. It is a passion I have for customers, be there for the customers, help them understand what they are at now, and also I have a passion for helping a customer understand what they can do tomorrow, what I call it the next best action you can take to be successful. So I feel like I helped their trajectory of success in a lot of ways doing insurance and financial services, and I just see them prosper, and it gives me, I'm happy that way. That's why I do it.
Thank you so much. And like I heard, like you're local, so your office very close, and people can reach out to you. You'll see this number on the screen, so please call Aaron if you have any questions for home insurance or car insurance, or you need any financial advice as well. And also let me know, please, if anything I can do to help you.